Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.